Are you tired of seeing that queued for download or installation failed error on your screen? Don't worry, I am going to show you how to get your games running right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down 10 advanced solutions to fix any PS5 game installation issue you are facing. Installation errors usually happen because of corrupted temporary data, network hiccups, or a lack of internal system breathing room. Let's fix it fast. Step 1. Check your storage capacity. The PS5 needs about 20% more space than the actual game size just to unpack the files. If you are low, delete one old game and try again. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to a physical Ethernet cable. A stable wired connection prevents the tiny packet losses that cause installation files to corrupt. Step 3. Change your DNS settings. Go to your network settings and manually set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. This often bypasses server bottlenecks. Step 4. Cancel and delete. Do not just pause the download, fully cancel it, delete the partial file from your storage, and restart the console before trying the download again from scratch. Step 5. Rebuild your database. Turn off your PS5 completely. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select the option to rebuild database to fix system file errors. Step 6. Restore licenses. If the game installs but won't start, go to Users and Accounts in your settings. Select Other and then Restore Licenses to verify your digital ownership with the servers. Step 7. Disable console sharing and offline play. Sometimes a quick toggle of this setting in the Users and Accounts menu refreshes your account's handshake with the PlayStation Network. Step 8. Clean your game disk. If you are installing from a physical disk, even a tiny fingerprint can stop the process at 99%. Use a soft microfiber cloth and wipe from the center outward. Step 9. Update your system software. Ensure your console is running the latest version. A mismatch between the game version and the system software often causes installation loops. Step 10. Check the PlayStation Network status. Use your phone to check the official PSN status page. If the servers are undergoing maintenance, no amount of troubleshooting on your end will fix the download. Here's a bonus pro tip. If your download is crawling, put your PS5 into rest mode. The console prioritizes background tasks and often finishes installations much faster when the main UI is not active. If you face any difficulty or a specific error code keeps popping up, please comment below. I will be checking the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this video helped you get back into the game, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay tech savvy, and I will see you in the next video.